Yeah, this is our dinner for tonight.
Do you like it, mommy?
Nice. So yummy.
Oh, happy birthday, Mummy. Thank you, Molly, for the candles.
We're going to have a special day today, guys. You look around because today is Mommy's 70th birthday.
His TELSTRA tower. Look at Mum's cake that we bought. So beauty. Okay guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna try and vlog a bit more. So today we're having dinner.
Yep.
We got some pumpkin and I got the oven on, preheating. And we got some lamb here. We got a whole lamb leg. I just put some butter on with some thyme.
Hope you guys have a wonderful Mother's Day before.
Alright guys, so we've been cooking for a while now. The lambs.
Not ready, not ready.
How is it not ready? That looks ready to me. Oh no, it's not. Jeez, well we put the pumpkin in too quick. Okay, so we still have to wait then, I guess. But the potato salad looks so yummy and delicious. Thank you, Venny Vlogs. I got this recipe from Venny Vlogs. So delish. I actually cooked the sweet potato a smidget longer than I should have because now it's all butter. Yum yum for my tum. Ossie's getting a, I don't know what this is called. A soli soli. Ooh, that foot's very close, Ossie. Very close. Why are you doing that, Oss? Is there something wrong? Roast.
What's up, guys?
Potato salad.
Yeah, this is our dinner for tonight.
Straight into it. No waiting.
Potato salad with the lamb with pumpkin. Woohoo! I enjoy to eat this.
Yeah.
This dinner for tonight. We already enjoyed to eat it.
Ossie, lift this.
Say something about the food tonight. Yeah.
No.
Look, this is our dinner for tonight. Did you like it, Mia?
Yeah.
Oi.
Do you like it, mommy?
Nice.
Ih.
So yummy.
Có kia lê để lấy xa đây hơi gạo mình lùm quất.
Siaosi. Morning guys. My hair is everywhere. But it is Mum's birthday today. She turns 70. So if you wanna, comment down below and give her some well wishes. This is her. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We've got Naki boy. Hurry up, Naki. And I gotta go quickly do my hair. I'm gonna be back. I'm back now. After doing my hair, we're going to a cafe. We're waiting for Ossie. Are you ready, princess?
What's up, guys? Your boy Chochi.
Guys, so I bought a cupcake for Mum. Waiting for Molly to come with a candle. 63?
Candles?
Oh. It's Ossie's mum's birthday, Eben.
No, that's
Yeah.
my cupcake.
No, this cake is Ossie's mum's birthday cake.
No, that's my cupcake.
Well, it's her pre-birthday cake. Happy birthday to Ossie. Happy birthday to Ossie. Happy birthday. Siaosi, no. Don't ruin it. Give it back here.
Who got fish and chips?
Okay, guys, we got breakfast here. We got the brekkie special. We all got it because, you know, cheap. Because it's cheap.
Nice. I like it.
Oh, because we like it. Oh, happy birthday, Mummy. Thank you, Molly, for the candles.
Clean it up.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Lâu quá, lâu đó buộc quay luôn một phát nữa. Cái câu người phải luôn ấy luôn. a foi ngolo mos fanga we fanga me ka fa me fanga ko fe do ai ngai ka kongo le lo fo le we le ba ya to ya so me le wa ya fa fo da bi no de ko ya flow do ke Sua ye de akto sa fa ye ke mai no ai si ninga ke pe o winga ya ai kiki dar ni ke ke ai kiki ar ei yo winga no la kan a kilo ai desi ei mo ko so fu ka sa wo yo fo ri ba sa na wa to kiki le winga gar kiki ar ene ka ya o ke ka no a ko ngoro ro fu no acho que eu podia voltar do member aqui já chegou ya para ganhar eu podia que cara aí vai ficar aqui.
So we just finished breakfast, guys, and now we're on our way to drive around because it's Mum's 70th birthday, 70 years. So we just want to give God all the thanks, all the praise for 70 years of her life. We're going up TELSTRA Tower because, you know, when you come here to Canberra, there's not many places to take you other than the Parliament House, War Memorial and TELSTRA Tower. Whoa. Can you slow it down, please? So shout out to my fam bams for the breakfast this morning. My parents wanted to take her out, so we went to brekkie with my parents and my sisters. And thank you so much for your love for Mum Becca. We made it to the tower, guys. Is TELSTRA Tower. Are you scared, Mia? Why are you scared, you fool?
We're going to have a special day today, guys. If you look around, because today is Mummy's 70th birthday. So yeah, just drive around and have a look everywhere.
I remember coming here as a child with my parents. It's aged a lot in here. They've got a cafe on this side. They've got like signs here that show different aspects. City Centre, Canberra Airport, National Gallery of Australia. Look at this man-made lake. It's actually quite huge. Seriously, why could they not have a lift that goes up? Oh my gosh, they went up. Oh. Wow.
What's up, guys?
We're at the top now. So pretty. How awesome is this? They've got a post box up here, which actually gets mail taken out of, because you buy a postcard from here. Public automatic mobile telephone service. What the heck? These were telephones back in the day. Like, this is what we see as a mobile these days. And look at that. The early 1900s. I remember that phone. My dad had a phone like that. And these were the mid 1900s. My brother had a phone like that. I had that red one. That was my first phone. That little red one. And we used to get like all these diamantes. Do you guys remember? And style our phones with those little crystal...
Motorola.
It's a Secra. This was used by the Prime Minister's office during the Menzies post, where war era enabled a secure conversation and anybody listening in on the line would only hear unintelligible noise. That is so interesting. William Morris Hughes, Prime Minister back in 1923. This telephone was used by our 7th Prime Minister. Guys, honestly, this is so educational. 1978, 1962, 1939, 1933. I remember these ones, 1988. or 2012. That's not that long ago. Oh my gosh, candlestick telephone. A war telephone. Look at these telegrams. This is what they used prior to phones. Oh my gosh, that is so strange. Morse key. Morse key jigger. These are Morse code jiggers. Telegraph sounder. We're in the theaterette. It's just got a voiceover but no things.
Television is our window on the world.
Guys, it's like my beanie. I just bought it today. But it's still Mum's birthday. We are having dinner. Just got back from my parents because my dad wanted help from Aussie to willow some things, like weld things. And now they're coming over to blow our cake. I'll show you the cake later, but I gotta quickly go and get some rice because my parents are coming over with my sisters to blow out the cake. And Aussie's making bananas. This one. And I got some hot tamale lollies. Guys, my parents are here and we got Aussie's fave. Anyways, don't mind this. He's not even a Queensland supporter.
I'm Queensland supporter.
Stop lying. Look at Mum's cake that we bought. So beauty. So yummy. Fresh cream and strawberries. Lamington cake.
Okay.
Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, Jack. Engine. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. We are Wasofana.
Vai falar que vai ser lua mole para as palavras,
Guys, we're calling it a night. Thank you so much for coming along with us. My family is going. Happy birthday once again, Mama. Is this Chris's? I don't know. Look at our cake. Well, it's just, yeah, that's Chris's. That's Chris's. Yeah, that's Chris's. I just looked at it. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Siaosi and Victoria, and Siaosi and Victorai.
Siaosi